Hey guys, we're gonna be unboxing this today, so let's just get started. Alright, so here it is around the box. There's not that much information. And I'm saying there's not that much because you see a lot more information online. So usually they do show you around the box quite a bit. And it does show you quite a bit of information, but not that much comparable with, what you can see online. So it's not that necessary that I show you all the way around the box. But hey, it's a big box. So here we go. Just gonna open it up. Alright, so there's quite a bit inside here. Let's just take it all out. Alright, so it does come with this manual. So it does come with one. I do have another video, by the way, guys. So if you guys want to know how to set this up, I have a video about that. So you guys can see this in action. So this video right here is just unboxing for you guys to see exactly what you guys get in the box. But again, the setup video that will show you exactly how this works. That said, this is extremely easy to set up. And this is the manual that we get with it. So it's a big manual that we get to open up. There's the VIP member notice. So that's a big one too. Now there is an app you guys can download in order to help you set this up. So here's the instructions for that. And even more instructions right here. So there's actually quite a bit of information. Now let's get to the cables. Here we go. So let's start off with the Ethernet cable. What Ethernet cable do you guys get with this? Well, I'm going to show you everything about it. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see all the details. So right here, if I zoom in really close, you guys will notice all the writing on the cable itself. So let me just show you. So right here, it's going to tell you exactly what cable it is. So here we go. And this, again, is the cable that we get with the router. So you will be using this to hook it up to your modem. So it is a fairly standard cable. It's long enough. Now here is our power. So I'm just going to take this plastic out. Here we go. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. So first of all, obviously, you guys, this free router. And it's a pretty basic AC adapter. I'm trying to zoom in as much as I can so you guys can see what type of AC adapter this is. So that's the only writing around it. Besides here, it's going to say the branding. So that's it for the adapter itself. It does come with quite a bit of length, which is good because some of you need that. In my case, it's going to be right beside my computer, basically, so I won't need that much cable running. And finally, we're going to take a look at the router itself, which is huge. So here we go. Here's the router. It's actually a pretty nice one. Nice looking router. It's heavier than I thought it would be. Didn't think it would be that heavy. Now let me just show you a bit of details here. So right here, you guys can see the lights that it has on the left-hand side. Okay, so it does show you 2.4, 5, and these two other ones. So that's just on the left-hand side. These are your antennas. They do move around, so you guys can move them however you want. Most of you will have them like so. On the other side, it's just branding. Right here, it's just lights. On the bottom, you're gonna see all this information. There's a lot of ventilation, by the way, which is needed. And most likely the reason why you're watching this, the back of it. So you guys can see what's going on here in the back. So let's zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see all the ports that we get with this router. So here we go. So this is where IEC adapter will be plugged in. We turn it on like so. We have USB. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 LAN. There's one that's called gaming port, by the way. This is where, your modem's going to be connected. We have a reset and WPS, which is standard. So everything's pretty standard about it. Again, these are just your antennas, which you guys can move at any point in time, wherever direction you guys want. And what I forgot to mention is here on the sides, well, not the sides, but the front, you guys will see these cutoffs. Yep, so that's for more ventilation. So it's got quite a bit of ventilation, which, as you guys know, we need a lot of ventilation when it comes down to gaming. Anyways, if you guys want to check this out and see it in action, make sure to check out the setup video that I have. But as far as this unboxing goes, we are all done. You guys got to check out everything that comes with this awesome router. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.